Okay, go ahead.
Go run.
Come on, let's
They're
go.
not gonna come up.
Come on,
Go.
come on, let's go. Let's go. Go, start. Start. Come on, let's go. Come on, start. Come on, Choo Choo. Go get her. There you go. There you go. There you go. Here she comes. She's coming around. She's coming around. Catch her. Stick her. Good girl. Good girl.
Nice.
Be nice, Choo Choo. Ooh, they hear the hearing. Go ahead. All right, let's go. Let's go. Go ahead, Choo Choo. Come on. Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Go.
Nice, Choo-Choo. Nice, Choo-Choo. Oh, Bucky. Go ahead. Turn
Go.
around.
Go get it. Go get it.
Boy.
All right. Go.
And run for a fat little dog.
Go.
Nice, Choo-Choo.
Oh, now here they both go. Come on, Bucket. No, Bucket. Come on, Bucket, get out of that. Come on. I know you want to do it. This is what Bucket likes to do the most. Bucket just loves to do her digging. Come on. Come on. She loves to do her digging. Now, you come on. Come on. Oh, come on, Bucket, no. Come on, Bucket. Bucket, no. Come on. Let's go. That's my hand. And that's Bucket. Go get each other. Come on, I want to dig. Let me dig, Mama. Oh, and what about you? What about you? Look at you. You're her boyfriend. Come on, let's go, boyfriend. Let's run. Come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go ahead. Go up. Yes.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Let's go.
Go ahead, fat boy.
Come on. Fat boy, is that what you call him?
Well, occasionally.
Oh, but it's on tape now. It's
Oh.
on video.
Are you're taping the audio? Oh.
Well, there's always audio on it,
No
right?
audio.
And
Hey,
what-
don't you start to dig, you.
Come here. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Go ahead, let's go.
Come on.
I'll get up. Come on, Choo-Choo.
Come on. Let's go.
Come on.
I
you see
think
you can-
she's run out already. Go. 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 Go.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, he's panting.
All right. You did really good.
Come on. No digging 2 feet down. For no reason. And
No
he'd look
reason at
you,
all?
And he'd keep digging. He was a digger. He was a German Shepherd Rottweiler, and apparently they dig.
And yeah, and that's she must have got it when she was in the garden
Hey,
back in Kansas.
Hey,
In
you.
Kansas.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
no digging.